high-level defense delegation led by Mr. Agil Gurbanov, Deputy Minister and Director General of Defense, Azerbaijan, called on Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmad Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, at Air Headquarters, Islamabad. During the meeting, both dignitaries engaged in extensive and fruitful discussions on matters of mutual interest. The talks underscored a shared commitment to fostering defense collaboration with a particular focus on training, modernization, and technical expertise. The Air Chief extended a gracious welcome to the distinguished guests, reiterating that Pakistan and Azerbaijan enjoy long-standing religious, cultural, and historical bonds which serve as a bedrock of enduring brotherly relations between the two countries. During the meeting, Chief of the Air Staff shared insight into various ongoing modernization projects of Pakistan Air Force's operational construct, force goals, and plans for the force structure with a keen focus on future warfare. The Air Chief also reiterated PF's unwavering support to provide capacity-building assistance to the Air Force of Azerbaijan in upgradation of its human resource, maintenance parameters, and operational training. Mr. Agil Gurbanov lauded the exemplary professionalism of PF personnel and appreciated the extraordinary strides made by Pakistan Air Force through indigenization and development of advanced aerospace technologies. He expressed Azerbaijan's keen interest in expanding military-to-military collaboration, specifically in joint training programs and knowledge-sharing initiatives, underscoring the importance of joint training initiatives through bilateral exercises between the two air forces. The visiting dignitary emphasized that such cooperation would enhance shared learning, interoperability, and professional excellence. He also conveyed Azerbaijan's strong desire for collaboration across multi-domain operations, noting that Pakistan Air Force's rich operational experience provides a valuable model for Azerbaijan. He added that his country is especially eager to learn PF's complete methodology of multi-domain warfare to strengthen its own capabilities. The dignitary reiterated Azerbaijan's intent to revamp its entire training system, beginning from the academy level, and acknowledged Pakistan Air Force as a trusted partner in guiding this transformation. He expressed confidence that cooperation with PAF would significantly contribute to the modernization and professional growth of Azerbaijan Air Force. The visit of the Azerbaijani defense delegation to Air Headquarters Islamabad reflects the mutual commitment of Pakistan and Azerbaijan to further deepen their strategic partnership, while reinforcing the shared aspirations for regional peace, security, and stability.